Hello, my name is Jordan, and I'm here today to tell you about AmeriBar's tutoring program and how we can help you pass the bar exam. We have helped students pass their bar exams for over a decade. Our business is helping our students, which include thousands of first-time and repeat takers, to pass the bar exam. For some examinees, a traditional review course is not enough to pass the bar exam. Some students need personalized assistance and individualized feedback to learn precisely what they're doing wrong and how they can improve their score. That's where AmeriBar's tutoring program fits in. At AmeriBar, we provide a level of personalized service and attention to our students that is second to none. Our extensive expertise in bar exam preparation has helped us develop a specialized understanding of the unique nature of bar exam issues faced by examinees, and especially by repeat bar exam takers, individuals who have been unsuccessful on the bar exam before. As a result of this unique understanding, we have developed bar review materials and one-on-one tutoring services that few, if any, other bar review programs can match. We know the most common mistakes made by bar examinees. We see them, sadly, year after year. We also know that, in many cases, making those mistakes is not exclusively the student's fault, but rather, it is often the result of a lack of direction or appropriate and effective instruction. Our experience suggests that many other bar review courses spend insufficient time teaching bar exam study strategies and test-taking techniques, and those are what AmeriBar materials and services focus upon. Our unique strategies and techniques have allowed us to help students pass their bar exam where they've previously failed the exam once, twice, or even 8 times before. Our tutoring program, in particular, is able to identify both studying and application errors and correct them quickly. One common error we see is not studying efficiently and effectively, which means a student has not been taught how to study for the bar exam in a manner most likely to help them learn, understand, and retain critical bar exam information. We know how to do that, and we will teach you how. Students in our home study bar review courses know that one method we use to address this problem is the use of our proprietary starring system throughout our outlines. This system allows you to quickly assess the probability that any topic is likely to be tested on the bar exam, and to ensure you spend sufficient time studying the topic based on the probability of it being tested. As a tutoring student, you are not required to enroll in one of our home study courses, and if you don't, we'll still show you how to get the most out of the materials you may have from another provider. A common error we see is that most other bar review courses do not teach you how to study effectively. They use a kitchen sink approach and tell you to study everything without fail, thereby ensuring you spend valuable study time on many topics highly unlikely to appear on the bar exam. That is an ineffective study strategy that wastes your valuable study time. As a tutoring student, you'll learn what to do on a daily basis to study for a subject. We know what works because we've had plenty of experience with thousands of prior students. We recommend a logical sequence of study subjects that helps reinforce learning. Our process is there to help you study and retain information, the most important information you need to know, in a logical sequence, not a sequence based on the convenience of instructors' schedules. We put you first. It's critical that, long before you take the bar exam, you understand the test-taking techniques that are unique to each portion of the exam. Effective essay writing utilizes writing techniques that give the examiners exactly what they're looking for, nothing more and nothing less. Unfortunately, many students feel it's important to write the bar exam equivalent of a law review article, or to use an outline method that is not what the examiners want to see. Our tutoring program teaches a student how to write an essay answer that presents the critical elements of the essay answer that every examiner is looking for, nothing more and nothing less. You can say more by writing less, and we will teach you how. Our tutoring program has also shown that learning how to correctly answer MBE questions most often involves identifying problems a student has with comprehending those MBE questions. It's seldom the case that the student has no knowledge of the MBE area of law, but rather that due to the serious time constraints of MBE questions, a student fails to read the MBE question critically and comprehend what it's looking for. Both of those are critical aspects to arriving at the correct answer. Our tutors teach MBE analysis and comprehension skills that will help you improve your MBE score. Our tutoring graduates have shown dramatic improvements in their MBE scores, including scoring in the top 90th percentile on the MBE. We would be glad to speak with you and explain how our courses and tutoring programs work. Please, call us toll-free for a consultation at no cost. Our phone number is 1-800-529-2651. AmeriBar courses and tutoring represent the most cost-effective values and investments you can make to pass the bar exam. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about AmeriBar.